That something happened with my video upload last night, so I uploaded the wrong letter for the 2025 language arts performance test. So here's the correct letter. So here's what your letter could look like. We could say their classmate, whoever the classmate's name is. Clearly, you're gonna put in your address and everything. I didn't do that. So I hope you are doing well. I heard that you were feeling a bit scared about trying something new. And I wanted to write you this letter to encourage you. I understand how it feels to be afraid. I used to be scared of the dark, just like in the story we read. She was very nervous at night and couldn't sleep unless the hallway light was on. But with the help from her sister, she faced her fear little by little. By the end of the week, she was able to sleep with only one night light. This shows that one reason to face your fear is that it helps you to become stronger and more confident. According another reason, sorry, is that when you face your fear, you can help others who might be feeling the same. According to source one, Jada helped her little cousin when he was scared of the dark. She told him what helped her and gave him a nightlight too. That made her feel proud and brave. Helping someone else makes you feel good inside. Finally, source 2 shows that getting support from your family or friends can make a big difference. When people encourage you, it becomes easier to try. Practicing by little also helps you build courage over time. So don't give up. Facing your fears can help you grow, support others, and feel more confident. I believe in you. I know you can do it. That's your call to action. And then you said you're a friend, and then you'll write your name. So there you have it, Ian. That is how you would structure your letter. Well, it may differ, but as long as it's along that line, sharing details from the sources, and then giving the reasons, just like what the prompt suggested, then you should be fine. So, students, I know you have your big exam coming up tomorrow, but I know that your teacher at school has been doing a lot of work with you, as well as you've been watching my channel, getting information to help you, and other educational content creators on YouTube to share details to help you to improve and practice for your exams tomorrow. So I wish you all the best on your examination. I have one more video to share with you on the maths performance task based on the teacher's activity for 2025. I'll upload that tomorrow after you're finished with your examination, your language and literacy examination. You're going to move into that video to prepare for your examination on Thursday. So until next time, all the best. Share with all the friends that you have in your class and otherwise. And remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you can be informed when there's a new video that is posted. And you're going to be loving this channel for grade 5 and grade 6 and beyond. Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell.